look at that. This is like the perfect summer drink and so easy, and it's not as heavy as like a regular milkshake, which obviously also is really good, but maybe not something that you want to drink all the time. Hey everyone, it's Nia. I'm back with another recipe drop, and today we're making the easiest summer drink. It's a frozen malted latte, and it comes together probably in 5 minutes, and it really only includes like 5 ingredients too. We have some whole milk, we have malted milk powder, we have espresso powder, we have some heavy cream, because I'm gonna whip some cream for the top as well, and then we have a little bit of vanilla extract that we're gonna turn into a vanilla syrup. I'm gonna make the syrup first. I have 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar here, and then I'm gonna pour it into here. So it's basically just a simple syrup, and a simple syrup ratio is always 1:1. So boiling water, and then I'm gonna just stir this and let it sit until it dissolves. A teaspoon of vanilla extract too. Oops, that came out fast. I love simple syrups because it's such a easy way to add like a little bit of extra flavor to whatever it is you're making. Now I'm gonna whip some cream, and usually I would use an electric mixer, but because I'm not whipping that much, I am just gonna use like a hand whisk instead. So this was about a half cup of heavy cream. All right, I'm actually gonna add more because I love a little extra whipped cream on my coffee slushies. Yeah, I pretty much doubled it. See, this is nice, perfect. It's like not too stiff, not too loose, a nice medium. Today I'm actually using this personal blender by Zwilling. I really love this because it's sleek enough to just keep out on the counter, and it makes enough for 1 person or 2 people in this particular recipe. It also comes in 3 different colors. So it has this white one, we also have a silver one, and also a black one. They're all equally nice. You can kind of choose one to match with whatever kitchen aesthetic you have. And then it also has this awesome little attachment that acts as like a little to-go lid. So you can bring whatever it is you're making on the go, in the car, to the beach, wherever you want to go. For this frozen coffee, I'm going to start off with 1 cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of espresso powder. You can also just use cold coffee if you prefer. In that case, I would use maybe like 3/4 of a cup of whole milk, and then 1/4 of a cup of really strong cold coffee. Here I have 2 tablespoons of malted milk powder, and this just adds a really nice kind of nutty and toasty flavor to this frozen latte. All right, let's check on the syrup. The thing about the syrup though is you want it to not be too hot, because then it's gonna kind of melt the ice, and the whole point of this is for it to be like a frozen slushie. So I'm also gonna add 2 cups of ice. This is way more than we need, but I just wanted to have more just in case some of it melted. I actually make this a lot at home too, using oat milk. So you could use whatever milk you wanted. You could use almond milk, you could obviously use oat milk. This recipe just reminds me of being like in middle school, going to the mall, getting a little Frappuccino with my friends. Nothing better. I feel like everybody had that. I feel like that was like a universal experience. I'm gonna start off with 3 tablespoons. If you like yours on the sweeter side, you could use 4 tablespoons. You could use all of it, but I like mine just like sweet, but not too sweet, you know? All right, so popping the lid on. And I like this because it just feels really secure. Give it a little shake. It's also nice because it's not actually that loud. And it doesn't move a lot. Like I feel like some small blenders kind of shake a lot when you use them. This one is pretty still. I think I'm gonna get my parents this. I feel like they would really like this. So for these types of fun drinks, I like to choose some fun glasses to go with it. That looks so good. So obviously you could drink all of this yourself if you want, but I'm gonna divide it up into 2 glasses. And then I'm gonna add a generous amount of whipped cream on top. Also, if you wanted this to be your like morning coffee, then you could just leave out some of the syrup and make it a little less sweet, and it'll just be like a extra fun version of your morning coffee. Whenever I would get drinks like this out when I was younger, I would get like the sweetest ones possible. I would get ones with like caramel drizzles in it. I would get like Oreos in it. All right, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of espresso powder on top. You could also do a little cocoa if you want, or if you wanted to turn this into like a mocha, you could add a tablespoon or two of cocoa powder. Okay, I also have these really fun straws. I love a glass straw moment. This looks so good. I would drink this every day if I could. I mean, I guess I could, but nice. Look at that. This is like the perfect summer drink and so easy, and it's not as heavy as like a regular milkshake, which obviously also is really good, but maybe not something that you want to drink all the time.
Malted latte.
Yeah, okay, cheers.
Ooh,
That's good, right?
that's fun. I like that. The malt is such a good twist. I haven't had something malted in so long.
I know,
feel like
me
it's so
neither.
underrated.
Same. Yeah, I feel like this would be perfect like by the pool. Not that I have one, but
Yeah.
that'd be nice. Or just like,
If you
I
have
don't
a
know,
pool.
if you have a pool. If you want this recipe, you can find it in the description below. Super easy, and all you really need is a blender. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
All right, see ya. Thumbnail.
Cheers.